supercharger fun.
Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales, guys. I got a superstar today, 57 Chevy with a 502 and a blower, fuel injected. If I look excited, it's because I just got back from driving this beast. It is amazing. Probably the most horsepower that's ever come through this shop. This thing is a beast. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it up on the lift so you can see how cool the bottom side is. You know we're going to pop the hood and take a look at that 502 with that supercharger. We're going to look at the interior. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your 57 Chev investment. So come on up and we're going to fire this beast up now. So check this beast out. Now, we normally don't give you a peek of the motor, but I gotta show it to you. Look at that beast. We've got a GM Performance 502 with that big old blower, fuel injection setup on it. What's cool about the fuel injection setup, you don't have all them carburetors up there, you know, getting in your view from the windshield. It's tucked down in there nice. Got a big radiator. We'll look at this some more in a minute. It's just an amazing machine. All the chrome is gorgeous. The paintwork on it. Look at all this paintwork, man. It is amazing. It probably has a $40,000 or $50,000 paint job on it. It's drop dead gorgeous. We got lightweight wheels on it. We got big rubber in the back, deep dish rims back there, and take a look at these door jambs. Look at the paintwork in there. New rubber here. The upholstery in it is amazing too, just beautiful. It's got a tilt column in it. It's got aftermarket gauges. There's a Hurst shifter in there. The carpeting looks great. Back seat is finished to match the fronts. The headliner looks awesome. All the chrome in there looks fantastic. It's just an amazing machine. And we even got the fuzzy dice for you guys. You gotta have fuzzy dice in your 57 Chev, I'll tell you what. This thing is drop dead gorgeous from the top to the bottom. Look at this paintwork. It is just amazing. My pinstriper was just in here and he must have spent 20 minutes looking at this car. It is just, the workmanship on it is beautiful. We got great looking chrome here in the back. We've got the gold emblem here. Look down the side of the car. Man, those scallops, this is old school coolness right here, guys. Look at that door jamb there also. She is beautiful. And I tell you what, you gotta wait the rest of the video here. I'm gonna go out here and drive it here in a minute. The good news is I already drove it. It is a blast and you're gonna love watching it. So if you've got any questions about the car, call Tom at 248-974-9513. He can tell you anything you need to know about this beauty. Now, we also had this baby tuned by one of the premier race shops here in town in Detroit. And you know we can make some horsepower in Detroit. So let's go outside and drive this beast. Let's take the 57 for a ride. Supercharged, fuel injected power. I tell you what, this baby has got all kind of power all day long. What an amazing vehicle it is. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive anywhere in the world. So our shop's right outside the Motor City. you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. Now, we sell about 90% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't get to meet our customers a lot, and man, do we love meeting our customers. So please, come on out to the shop, check it out. We've got 225 cars in stock. Nothing making this kind of horsepower. This baby's not gonna be here long, guys. I tell you what, guys eat these big horsepower cars up, and she's got a beautiful paint job on her. You're gonna love it. So get on an airplane, jump in your car, come on out. We're only 20 minutes from the airport, so it's a real easy trip. Now, we'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. Now, look down here on the dash. In the stock location, it's got all digital gauges here. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. It's got the tack up here on the dash. Heck, we've even got fuzzy dice. And watch this. We're gonna do us a little U-turn here and go back. This is just an amazing machine. And you gotta be careful with that accelerator. I tell you, big power, big responsibility, man. This thing will get up and rock and roll. Look at them patches right there. I did that with another car a while back. This thing is sweet, guys. So call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now, we've got help with financing too, if you'd like. About a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream's in your drive, and you're gonna love it. Go to any car show with this car, and this thing is gonna take awards. You're gonna win races with it. It's just an amazing machine, guys. If you can't tell, I'm in love. I like me some horsepower. And this baby has got all the horsepower you're ever gonna need right here. Let's get out here and see if this thing will merge into traffic. No problems here, man. You wanna merge into traffic? I'm not even touching the accelerator, guys. This thing is so fast, it's unbelievable. Now stick with us, because we're gonna get it up in the air now so you can see how beautiful the underside is. Then you can bet we're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that big power under the hood. It's fuel injected, supercharged, big block power, and a 57 Chevy. It don't get any better than that, guys. Get around the corner here. We're coming up on our shop. Now this is Keel Street right here that the shop's on. We're right here at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick with us, because we're gonna get it up in the air now, and we're gonna take a look at a beautiful underside, and we're gonna take a look at all that power under the hood. Hold on a second. Just had to do it one more time. All right, we're underneath this amazing 57 now. As you can see, custom aluminum gas tank. There's that gigantic Eliminator 1,000 horsepower fuel pump. It's brand new. We got a Ford 9-inch here with a 4-link. Coilover's holding it up. There's right around the 410 gear, and there's a spool in this. That is a positive posi, guys. Willwood disc brakes. Look at this tub job. It is beautiful. I mean, it looks factory done. All the welds are beautiful. All the paint work's beautiful. Look at that drive shaft hoop. Man, that thing is a monster. The frame looks great. The floorboards look great. They've used the oval pipe on the exhaust to get it up there nice and tight. Beautiful slash cut exhaust coming out in front of those balonies out back. Man, look at them long tube headers. Those things are monsters. Those are amazing, guys. Turbo 400 trans, all built up. Got skinnies in the front, disc brakes up front too. It looks like it's got a Mustang 2 style front suspension. That's all polished up. Rack and pinion steering. All the paint work up here. I mean, this is custom frame from one end to the next. That motor's held in there with a set of elephant ears. That motor ain't going nowhere, no matter how much horsepower it's making, and it's making about 750. Everything about the car is amazing. The chrome on the front bumper looks great. All the paint work up here looks great. I mean, I can't say enough good things about this thing. This thing is a monster, and she's beautiful. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front, we got Skinnies up front, and they're Firestones, and they are, there it is. I have my hand over it. It's hard to find when you got your hand over it. 670 by 15s. These are lightweight Kragers. The aluminum looks great. The paint, the wheel wells looks good, and this custom paint job is amazing. I know I've already talked about it a bunch of times during the video. Look at the rear. All right, out back, we got some Hoosiers here. Let's see if I can find the size on them. There it is. We got 31, 18.5 by 15s, and there's that exhaust. That last piece of pipe there, I believe that's stainless. It is beautiful. And again, look at that slick paint job, and look at the bottom side of that rocker. Look at that pinch weld. I mean, the car is amazing, guys. Now let's get under the hood and take a look at the best part of the whole car. All right, here it is, guys. GM Performance 502 with a big old blower sitting on top, and it's fuel injected, and that's right. There's 16 injectors. It's got a brand new Big Stuff 3 engine management system. Local hot rod builder here in town, Billy Briggs, builds racing engines. He did all the tuning on it. It was on the dyno. They're telling me it's making in excess of 750 horse. It's a monster, guys. Just an amazing setup. She does have power brakes. It is manual steering, but it is rack and pinion. No problem there. What's cool about this thing, it's a GM Performance motor, so you know it is quality. All the finish work looks good. The paint work looks great. All the wiring, all the plumbing, everything about the car is amazing. That radiator's amazing. Got electric fans on it, all this paint work. I mean, pull this in anywhere and be proud to pop the open to this thing. It is amazing, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this monster in your driveway.